Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my sister here, which means we are going to be doing the sister tag. We've seen loads of videos on YouTube about it, so we just thought why not do it ourselves. So basically it's just, there's like a list of questions that you ask each other, well, are asked to us, kind of. And we just answer them basically, getting to know us a bit better, I guess.
Let's get right into it.
So, who is the oldest or youngest? So Nell is the oldest by 5 years. No, I'm the oldest, I'm 21.
I'm the youngest, I'm 11.
What was the last text you sent each other?
Oh, I don't know.
I think it was when you were hassling me.
Yeah.
It was an audio message, which I can't even hear because it was too quiet. And it's, we are having a BBQ with a chicken emoji at 6. And that was from Nell, and I didn't reply, obviously.
Yeah.
Just type out about that.
She never replies to me. Okay.
Don't take it personal.
So, what do you like and hate about each other?
I hate everything. I like nothing. Next! Right. I hate that you're not older, so we can go out partying all the time. And I like that you copy everything I do. Because you're like my little fan.
Well, I hate about my sister that she's really annoying. And I like about my sister is that she's good at makeup.
Right, our most memorable argument.
Oh.
We don't argue.
Oh, really?
Basically, I just wind her up and she cries, like my
Yeah.
brother as well. I wind him up and he cries, so that's just what happens. They just have to get over it, but that's the only time we ever argue. And she's like, grow up, and I'm like, no, you grow up. And then she storms upstairs, and then when I leave, she'll cry because I didn't say goodbye properly. So
Next one.
what do
you and your
siblings do for
fun?
fun? We prank each other. No, not each other, other people.
Yeah. On April Fool's Day, I put cling foil around the toilet.
Cling film.
That's what it is.
Cling film around the toilet.
Yeah.
And I don't live with her, so I
Yeah.
never know about this until she does it. She just went on a school trip and hid her teacher's cardigan for an hour while the teacher was looking around for it. What else did you do? The other day you rearranged Dad's drawers. He told me about that.
Yeah, I
put
his work tops because it was at the bottom drawer, so I put it on the top drawer, and his normal t-shirt's at the bottom drawer.
And you put some water in his drawer once, didn't you?
No, I put water in his favourite bit of shorts, and I was very mad.
Very mad?
He wasn't happy.
Yeah, and I've always grown up doing pranks on other people. But yeah, that's what we do for fun. We just like prank people because it's funny. No one finds it funny apart from us, but
exactly.
still funny. Describe each other in 3 words. So you are annoying, sometimes funny, annoying. Because I get like 20 messages a day. Come around, Char, come around. I need your help, please, Charlie. I don't know what to wear.
That's me.
Leave me alone. Let me sleep. Go on.
And then 3 words is annoying, a bit funny, sometimes.
So are we going to just copy my 3?
And weird.
Yeah, that's a good one. Everyone says that. Who keeps a cleaner room? None of us. I go through stages of my whole house being spotless, but then the rest of the time, it's not. Because for one human, it's hard to keep our whole house clean. Can you stop coughing? For one person, it's hard to keep a whole house clean. You'd think it'd be easy because no one makes a mess apart from me, but it's not. It's really hard. And like once it starts getting a mess, I can't help but just leave it. But when I do clean, I keep it clean for quite a few minutes. My room's the only one that really gets a mess. The rest of the house I kind of keep clean because I don't go in it. But and your room.
You can't even see the floor.
I'd say me, to be honest.
No, once you couldn't even see the floor.
No, that's like constant. Like,
no, it's not.
So like she gets like new
it's starting
stuff.
to get cleaner now.
It's definitely not. Like if you went in there now, not clean. So next, what? So that would be me, I think. Would you say? I keep the cleaner room. None of our rooms are clean, so how?
Exactly.
Me. I'd pick me because my room's cleaner more of the time. What is something weird that you eat? So I have in work sometimes have beans on toast and I put mayonnaise on top of it. Everyone thinks that's weird. I just think it makes it 10 times better. But I think that's the only thing because I'm like the world's fussiest eater. Like I don't like anything apart from chicken dippers and jacket potatoes. Not together, just them two things. Oh, and mash. My favourite food in the world, mash. So
she could have a plate of mash.
I do.
She could have like 2 plates of mash.
That's why it's not good for me to live alone because that's all I eat is just a bowl of mash and I love it.
Literally.
So I guess that's weird too, but that's all I really eat. What's your weird thing? Do you eat anything weird?
Well, my mum thinks that, and my dad, that fish and ketchup is nice. Like, you know the fish with like the batter around it?
Fish.
Yeah, basically, yeah. It's like, yeah, I have that. Everybody thinks that's weird, but it's not. It makes it better. I like it. Anyway, next question. How long does it take
To
your
get
sisters
dressed.
to get dressed?
Yeah, it takes me about
Oh.
2 minutes to get dressed. It takes me about 10 hours to find something to wear. But most of the time I wear like skinny jeans, like black jeans and
Or a
jumper.
tracksuit.
Or a track on the weekend. Not to work. I dress up every day for work, but only like a jumper and
Exactly.
I wear a jumper and jeans every single day basically. Even if it's sunny, I'll probably wear a jumper and jeans. And trainers. And what do you wear?
Mine is like,
The same really. A jumper.
yeah. I like leggings and jumpers like this. Like,
Yeah. She likes leggings, I like jeans, but that's fine.
Yeah.
And how long does it take? They're not even asking what you wear.
Takes about, well, like on a school day, takes about half an hour for me.
To get dressed.
Yeah.
Right.
To get changed.
Well, it takes me about 5 seconds because I run around like a headless chicken trying to find something to wear. Who reads more? Well, I actually don't read at all because I'm useless.
Exactly, so I read
And
more.
you read all the time, don't you, to bed? What is something you like to do together? We like to do YouTube videos together.
Pranks.
Makeup, pranks, you know, the
Yeah.
usual. And make slime.
Yeah.
Who is most talented? Me, 100%. Nell has absolutely no talent. I mean, she only does ballet,
She has no fashion.
modern, tap dancing,
Jazz,
street
actually.
dancing, jazz, choir. I mean, I'm clearly more talented because I do nothing. I can kind of dance.
Exactly, she can kind of. She can't even sing.
You're leaning on me.
Oh,
No,
Leo.
I can sing.
Ah.
What's your favourite makeup brand? Do you even know any?
No.
Okay. Well, mine is I have loads. Jeffree Star, Urban Decay, and CHARLieH Cosmetics. Only for their lipsticks though. Nicknames you have for each other. So I always used to call her Neil. My mum would shout at me for it. Because she's called Nell, Neil. I don't know, it just works.
I call her Fathead or Meatball.
Yeah. Shrimp.
Tumbleweed. Dumbleweed.
Nugget.
So we just call funny names about each other.
Fathead is like the main one in our
Yeah.
family. That's what we all call each other, just Fathead. Are you close? Clearly, she's literally leaning on me through this whole video, and I keep telling her to get off, and she keeps just hiding her way back in. One thing you can do that your sibling can't. Can you do this?
I'm gonna do what happened.
Oh. Can you do this?
No, can you do this?
So I can do this. And she can do this. We are talented, correct.
Yeah.
What's a weird habit of yours? Mine, it's not really a habit, but I always hiccup. Like
I
everyone.
always bite my nails.
Yeah, same. But I don't think that's weird. I think everyone does that, really.
True.
Secretly. Have you got anything now? You don't really have one, do you?
No.
I mean, Joseph would be a list.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I only, yeah, I hiccup all the time, but I think that's the only one. Oh, and I squint like this because I never wear my glasses, and everyone gets really annoyed at me at work because I just like this all the time. And when they're talking to me, I don't even realise, and I'm like,
Hi.
And then hiccuping, yeah, I hiccup all the time, but not like normal hiccups, just one random one, like all the time though. Oh my god, I have the worst pins and needles right now. Oh, it feels like I got no foot. It actually feels like I got no foot. I don't know. Oh no.
Oh. Well, one thing for sure is that she's dramatic.
Oh.
Like just a minute ago, she was setting up YouTube, and then she's like, "No, get out before I kill you."
It's just the fact she just sat there, and I'm stressing trying to set it up, and she just sat there like get out my face for 2 minutes. I was just sat there, I was like, get out of the room before I kill you. Just get out. Simple. That's the end of our sister tag. I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously you're so happy that we're back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and do more videos. Obviously I probably won't because I'm such a busy woman, you see. I try and do videos, but I work 9 to 5 every day, so I find it, well, 8:30 till 5 every day, and so I find it difficult when I come home. By the time I've made tea, fed Mowgli, ate tea, I sit down, watch Love Island, and then I want to go bed. I don't want to set up the whole setting and do a video. I do, but I just don't have the energy. I have no motivation whatsoever, and I'm trying to go to the gym as well, and I can't juggle everything, but I'm going to try and do a few more videos. It won't be consistent, because I always say that, and it never is, so it won't be consistent, but I hope you enjoyed our video, and we shall see you in the next one.